Hi, this is Marty from Blue Lightning TV. I'm going to show you how to create a snowy winter scene with falling snow from a summer photo, as well as a version using the Landscape Mixer Neural Filter in Photoshop 22.0 and later. I provided this photo of a forest that you could download for this project. Its link is in my video's description or project files. Feel free to use any summer photo you'd like. I also provided this image of falling snow if you'd like to add it to your winter scene. Open the forest photo and open the Channels panel. If you don't see it, go to Window and Channels. Click the green channel. Press Ctrl or Command A to select it and Ctrl or Command C to copy it. Open back the Layers panel. Click the New Layer icon to make a new layer and press Ctrl or Command V to paste the green channel into it. We'll convert it into a smart object so we can modify it non-destructively. To do this, click the icon at the upper right and click Convert to Smart Object. Change its blend mode to Screen. Go to Filter and Filter Gallery. Open the Distort folder and click Diffuse Glow. Make the graininess 0. For this photo, I'll make the glow amount 6 and the clear amount 4, but keep in mind, since every photo has its own characteristics of brightness and contrast, feel free to change these amounts. Double-click the Blending Options icon next to the Smart Filter to open it, and click Screen. Next, we'll decrease the haze and sharpen the detail. Go to Filter and Camera Raw Filter. Open the Effects filter and slide the texture all the way to the right. This sharpens our image. Go to Dehaze and slide it to 60, or you can just type it in. Then click OK. Next, we'll add falling snow. Open the falling snow image I provided. To place it onto our snow image, press Ctrl or Command A to select it, and Ctrl or Command C to copy it. Open the snow document and press Ctrl or Command V to paste it in. Make a copy of it by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Hide the copy and make the original falling snow active. Change the blend mode to Screen. Make the copy visible and active. We'll increase its size with the Transform tool. Press Ctrl or Command T. Go to a corner and press and hold Alt or Option as you drag it out approximately this much. Then press Enter or Return twice. Change its blend mode to Linear Dodge and reduce its opacity to 70%. Lastly, I'll show you how to transform summer into winter using one of Photoshop's neural filters. Scroll to the bottom. We'll make just the photo summer visible. To do this, Alt or Option click the eyeball icon next to the photo. Make it active and convert it into a smart object. Go to Filter and Neural Filters. We'll use the Landscape Mixer, which is in the beta version at the time I'm doing this video. If it's not turned on, just click it. Click the top left thumbnail, which is the Seasons preset. At the bottom, we can choose any season of the year. Drag winter all the way to the right. Photoshop takes a bit of time to process the information. It's using AI capabilities to transform the photo. We can now fine-tune our image. For instance, we can adjust the degree we want our image to change into the season. We can adjust the time of day or night, and even add a warm sunset glow to our leaves. It's still in its beta version, so it's not perfect, but it does show amazing potential. If you want to add falling snow to it, Simply make the two top layers visible. This is Marty from Blue Lightning TV. Thanks for watching.